Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and I'm extremely excited to be showing you this absolutely beautiful country home in the sought after location of Deppers Bridge. This much loved family home is walking distance to the highly desirable village of Harbury, and just across the road we've got that absolutely brilliant country pub, the Great Western. This wonderful home occupies a plot of approximately 1/3 of an acre. There are beautiful countryside views and there's an abundance of outbuildings which offer various uses. I hope you enjoy the tour, and if you'd like more information, please contact me in the details at the end of the video. Thanks for watching.